looking to apply for pharmacy? We've got some great top tips to make sure that you get that place. I'm Amy, I'm an outreach ambassador for Newcastle University, and I'm going to give you some great application advice to make sure you make an informed decision about your university. First off, it's really important that you consider the entry requirements. For our pharmacy programme, we ask that you have chemistry along with another science and that you achieve AAB in those subjects. Next, you need to think about what opportunities are available on your degree. Do you have time in clinical placements? Have you got the option to work in industry? Do you get to do any research projects? And what modules are available to you? At Newcastle University, we have an integrated programme for our pharmacy course, which means that straight away you're spending time in clinics and you're building up those communication skills to work with your patients. As well as that, you get to take part in our spiral curriculum. That means that you get to build upon your knowledge each year so that you're not overwhelmed by any information. That allows you to then go and use that information in our clinics across the North East. When you study a pharmacy degree, it's really important that it is accredited. We are accredited by the General Pharmaceutical Council. They are the people who allow you to do your pre-registration year to become a registered pharmacist, which brings me on to the pathway for becoming a pharmacist. You first have to do that 4-year degree, and then you go on to do a pre-registration year. After that, you will become a registered pharmacist and you can work within the community. There's a lot of other options that you can go into as well if you decide at the end of that degree you don't want to work as a pharmacist. You should also be thinking about why is it that you want to do that degree? You might have done some work experience that made you think, I want to study pharmacy. Maybe you've had some experience in your own life that made you inspired to become a pharmacist. Or it may even just be that you've been really interested from reading about it online. Make sure you let us know about this in your personal statement. We also want to see that you've done your research, so let us know what it is that you like about the programme. Make sure as well that you're putting in things like any customer-facing work experience that you've had. So whether that's working in a care home, maybe mentoring younger students, or even working in a charity shop or in your local restaurant. That allows us to see that you can communicate very clearly with people, and we can help you to expand upon those communication skills. When you're doing your research about the course, something that's really useful to do is speaking to current students. We have a really great function called UniBuddy. UniBuddy allows you to speak to current students for any subject at Newcastle University. That allows you to ask them things like application advice, asking them what it's like to be a student at Newcastle, and getting some general tips on making your decision. You can also do things like reading journals, watching YouTube videos, or even listening to podcasts related to the course that you're interested in. Some great places to start are using scientific search engines to look at things that you're interested in. You can put in there a specific topic that you're interested in, and it will bring up several journals that you can then read and have a look at to see if you're interested in that programme. It also means that you can then put that in your personal statement as a type of research that you've done to inform yourself on the course. These useful tips mean that you're going to have a fantastic application when you come to apply to university. We hope to see you at Newcastle University very soon.